Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's Race and Resto. Thought I'd show you a bit of what I've been doing. Been a few slow couple of days. A couple of wisdom teeth out. Thank you, Nathaniel. You are the best dentist ever. Restored my faith in dentistry. Alright, let's have a bit of a look at what we're doing. Now I've got to keep the talking going because I've got music on next door and they might flag me if they pick up the music. Right, full 3-inch exhaust. Now, what we've done here, this is a little bit different. So this is a 3-inch exhaust on an NA 2.9. Now, it's actually 3 1/4 tap down. That's a, it's got an anti-reversion cone in there. Now, we run down here into a reso, and then above that resonator it comes back down and it runs over here. All mandrels, all nice, V-banded. Real nice little clamps that I've made with little rubbers, right? And then what we have here is this is our side pipe set up, all right? Now that'll be capped. Now what I'm actually, it's got two purposes. This is side pipe, and when it's capped, that becomes a resonance chamber. So we're trialing a setup here to see if we can beat the drone just with the resonance chamber. So that's a chambered resonator, and then it's going to work as a sound waves will bounce down it and then they will bounce back, and it should cancel out a fair chunk of sound waves. So yeah, it's just something I'm trialing, something a little different. That's a really nice join there, and I have actually ground the insides, hence why it's got an extra weld. That's what I had to do. So I stuffed up. I don't have any heat shielding to go above the exhaust there, so I'll have to get some of that. But yeah, we're getting there. I actually might have to pull the exhaust off so as I can fit the fuel line. So that'll be the next thing I do now, will be the rear tailpipe. And then, yeah, we'll step into the fuel line, which is, believe it or not, because I'm not fucking around with this car, it's 5.8. That's a big sucker. The sheer amount of fittings on this car is ridiculous. We must be $2,000 in AN fittings and braid. It's only got a carter pump, but it's been re-drilled and it's got dash 10s on it. So it's all purposeful. Box after box. There's more fittings down there. But yeah. So all the fittings, we just go straight to, I just buy them straight from Salika Spares. Salika Spares have been looking after me quite well, so I just keep taking them my work. But yeah, radiator's all ready to go. Alright, fittings are welded on. My alley welds aren't the best in the world, but they seem to be sealed, so we'll see. Put it in, see if it stays pressurised. If it doesn't, I'll pull it back out and I'll weld it again. Well, thanks guys, just a quick update on the 2.9 and the kind of exhaust setup that we're doing. Yeah, you'll see it. I'll have a really nice stainless steel flattened off side pipe that will bolt on there, and there'll be a plate for when it's not on, for when it's on the street. Alright guys, you have a lovely Saturday night.